Welcome to the first video of my small engine series. I'll be using the engine out of this 1999 Craftsman power washer. It's a 5 horsepower, single piston, flat head, vertical shaft design. The reason I'm using this engine is because the design is very simple, robust, and the pressure washer pump blew up on me, and now I have an engine with no pump. If you're new to the channel, you'll notice that this is my first long form video. I plan on making this entire series long form in an effort to pack as much fun and information in each video as possible. If you've ever wanted to learn something about small engines, this is going to be the series to watch. I will also be doing the entire teardown, inspection, and rebuild on a workbench inside my room to prove how easy this can be for anyone who wants to do fun things with small engines. But since this has been sitting outside for the last few months, I decided I'm going to drain the oil out here, clean everything up, put it back together so that I can get started on the teardown inside my room. I should also note that I will be doing this entire series with the most basic of tools and the cheapest accessories like this oil pan. The reason being is I see a lot of videos on YouTube with guys who have really expensive equipment or very specific skill sets that do these videos, and not everyone has that. I want everyone who can afford a basic set of hand tools and some accessories to be able to grab a small engine, tear it down, put it together, modify it, maintain it, and anything else in between. All right, let's get the oil out, and there's actually quite a bit of oil in this little engine. I think it's about half a quart or maybe an entire quart. I forgot the specification off the top of my head. With the oil drained, I removed the engine from the mount and began cleaning off all the dust, debris, old paint, and spider webs. You can see on the right side there, that's the old busted hydraulic pump. When I turn the power washer on and I load up the engine, water just shoots out of the pump, so there's a failure somewhere there. I've replaced the gaskets, I've replaced a lot of things, and there's still a failure, so a new one of those pumps is about $50 to $85. I've seen it on eBay, so when I'm done with the engine build, I'll just get a new pump so it could work correctly. I cannot stress the importance of safety. I mean, engines are fun, but we are dealing with gasoline, explosions. With a pressure washer, we're dealing with a few thousand pounds of force. And the last thing I would want would be a 24-year-old pump to just fail on me at full throttle. Always good to have some orange scented multi-purpose cleaner around. And now for the final wipe down before reinstalling it onto the freshly cleaned bracket. Now all that's left is to reinstall it onto the bracket and take it up to my room. And here she is. That's the workbench I just assembled. Looking forward to making videos for you guys. See you soon.